Intermittent fasting is a dietary approach that has gained considerable attention in recent years, not only for its potential benefits in weight management but also for its potential impact on overall health and longevity. This video explores the science behind intermittent fasting, its various methods, associated health benefits, and key considerations for those interested in incorporating it into their lifestyles. Understanding intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. Unlike traditional diets that focus on what to eat, it primarily addresses when to eat. There are several popular methods of intermittent fasting. The 16/8 method. This method involves fasting for 16 hours each day and restricting eating to an 8-hour window. For example, eating between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. and fasting from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. the next day. The 5-2 method. In this approach, individuals consume their regular diet 5 days a week and significantly reduce calorie intake, usually around 500,600 calories, on the remaining 2 non-consecutive days. The Eat-Stop-Eat method. This method involves fasting for a full 24 hours once or twice a week, with no calorie intake during the fasting period. The alternate day fasting method. This approach alternates between days of regular eating and days of fasting or consuming very few calories. Please subscribe, share, comments and click on the notification bell. The science behind intermittent fasting. The science behind intermittent fasting is rooted in how it affects the body's metabolic processes. Here are some key mechanisms. Insulin sensitivity. Fasting periods can enhance insulin sensitivity, which may help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Hormone regulation. It can impact various hormones, including ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and leptin, the satiety hormone, which can lead to reduced overall calorie intake. Cellular repair. During fasting, the body initiates a process called autophagy, which removes damaged cells and cellular components, contributing to cellular repair and longevity. Weight loss. Intermittent fasting can lead to calorie reduction, resulting in weight loss. Additionally, it may increase the release of norepinephrine, a fat-burning hormone. Heart health. Fasting has shown potential benefits for cardiovascular health, including reduced blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and inflammation. Health benefits of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting offers several potential health benefits, backed by scientific research. Weight management. It can promote weight loss by creating a calorie deficit and enhancing fat oxidation. It can also help maintain muscle mass. Metabolic health. Improved insulin sensitivity and reduced inflammation may lead to a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Heart health. It has shown promise in reducing risk factors for heart disease, including blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and triglycerides. Brain health. Some studies suggest that intermittent fasting may support brain health and cognitive function by promoting neuroplasticity and reducing oxidative stress. Longevity. Intermittent fasting has been linked to increased lifespan in animal studies. While the evidence is not conclusive in humans, it's a promising area of research. Cancer prevention. Preliminary research in animals indicates that it may reduce the risk of certain cancers, but more human studies are needed. Inflammation reduction. Fasting can decrease markers of inflammation, which is associated with numerous chronic diseases. Considerations and potential challenges. Before embarking on an intermittent fasting regimen, it's essential to consider certain factors and potential challenges. Individual variation. Not all individuals respond to it the same way. Some may find it easy to adhere to, while others may struggle with hunger or energy levels during fasting periods. Nutrient intake. Ensuring that you receive adequate nutrients during eating windows is crucial. A well-balanced diet is essential for overall health. Dehydration. Fasting can lead to reduced fluid intake. Staying adequately hydrated is important, especially during fasting periods. Medications and medical conditions. Individuals taking medications or having certain medical conditions should consult a healthcare professional before starting IF. Potential for overeating. Some people may overcompensate by consuming larger portions during eating windows, negating the calorie deficit achieved during fasting. Adherence. Long-term adherence to intermittent fasting can be challenging for some. Consistency is key for experiencing the full benefits. Intermittent fasting is a dietary approach that has gained popularity due to its potential health benefits and impact on weight management. While the science supporting intermittent fasting is promising, it's essential to understand the various methods, potential benefits, and considerations before incorporating it into your lifestyle. Always consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to determine if intermittent fasting is a suitable option for your specific health and wellness goals. Remember that while intermittent fasting can be a valuable tool, there is no one-size-fits-all approach to diet and nutrition, and individual factors must be considered.